Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and in this tutorial I will explain normalized distance range and how to use that to make this type of cool effect in Unreal Engine Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. So as you can see, this looks cool, and how I created this effect. Although I used lots of modules for this, but the main idea was the distance range from a position to the particle current position. So let me just adjust this window, and it has just one emitter. So I will create that again for you guys so you will understand. So let's say I am creating this fountain, call it test, and now I have these particles, and if I remove all the velocity, this is now white and on a sphere, and let me make it